Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video on the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It is going to be an Access Cab SR. You can see here it is a lovely tan color. It's going to have your black and your chrome accents throughout. Starting here in the front, you can see that you have your bottom fog lights that are outlined in that black. You're going to have your black and chrome grille here, which gives it a really nice pop of color. You can see that the exterior coat is really shiny. It has been a very well maintained 2019 vehicle. Tire tread depths, we do guarantee 3/4 tread or better. So I believe that these are at 11/32 the entire way around, but I will confirm that for you once we make our way inside the vehicle here and take a look at that checklist. You are going to have your turn signal indicators here on the exterior of your mirrors. And you can see that you're going to have the black matte kind of badging throughout as well. I'll show you that on the back when you see that it's a V6. Taking a look here at the interior, you can see you do have a gray cloth seat with a design that does run down through the center. It does kind of have an accent of a cream colored stitching throughout, which resembles the gray design here that runs through the middle of the seat. It is powered adjustments as far as the seats are concerned. Your doors are going to have your powered locks, your powered windows. You will also have cup holders sitting down below then as well for your convenience. So as I had mentioned, that checklist is going to be located here in the glove compartment. 11/32 here, showing the entire way around for your tire tread depths. Brake pads are at 11 and 6/32. So all of it is very well taken care of for you. You don't have to worry with it having anything repaired or replaced anytime soon. All taken care of. You do also have your owner's manual in there then as well. We'll go ahead and open this back door here. You can see you do have two, what is kind of like bucket seats. So this is our buyer's guide right there. So I apologize that it's sitting there, but can't go into the window. So you'll have both of these seats here. You can see you do have the center console there for your seat belts or any sort of storage space, and you do have two cup holders here. Have all-weather mats that run along the back, so keeping the vehicle clean is not a problem at all. And honestly, they do still have a lot of leg room back here, so you can see all of that space. So it's not like anything is cramped in or anything like that. Taking a look back here, you can see that you do have your bed liner. It's in very good condition. You'll have your backup camera right here. All of your towing capabilities are down here. And because I had said I would show you that badging, there's the V6. Go ahead and take a look here in your driver's side. We'll open up the back so you can take a look at that. Take this off here. So you have those seats. Again, same view from the other side, plenty of leg room, so nothing to be concerned with. And then you do have this back window here that can open up as well for some fresh air for your backseat passengers. And then both doors are going to have this well compartment then for you. Again, the seats are going to be manual adjustments. You'll have your powered locks, windows, and mirrors over here. Two cup holders down below. And then we'll go ahead and hop in here. It is a push to start, so start over here with your steering wheel to the left. You're going to have all your volume controls, Bluetooth options, so you have all of that right through here. Over on the right, you're going to have your display options, as well as your front parking sensors and your lane assist, which are some really nice safety features. And then over up in the dash, you're going to see 32,020 miles on this particular 2019 Tacoma. So low mileage, you're good to go. Fresh oil change, fresh state inspection. So everything has been checked out. You can see up here you do have a nice touchscreen display for your Bluetooth options. I'm going to just go ahead and throw it in reverse really fast just to show you that backup camera, which is really crisp and clear. Looking down below here, you can see you do have your push to start. You'll have all your four-wheel drive options, your heating and cooling options, heated mirrors, charging ports. You have a little storage compartment down here with your two cup holders. And just while I have this, this is one of your keys. You do get two keys with the purchase of the vehicle, so you'll have both of those. All of your drive options, your parking brake, storage compartment, phone, whatever you may need to put there, key, another cup holder, and then storage compartment. So definitely have plenty of storage space in this particular truck. You do have some drive options here, your traction control, all of your light options, and then you'll also have your light visor here. Quick look at your Carfax history report. You can see no accidents or damages have been reported on this particular vehicle, and it has had one owner. Can say that the owner did only trade it in because they wanted a manual. So they actually got another Toyota Tacoma that was manual and not automatic. So not that anything was wrong with the vehicle, just personal preference. They did say that they babied the vehicle. So we'll take a look here just around the exterior, noticing any sort of dents, dings, or imperfections. Can tell you that the interior has been very well maintained, nothing to really note. Just a couple of stone chips right here. And honestly, like, rarely anything to note. Just a little scuff right here. A little mark right there. Even along the top here, it's in pretty good condition. Normally that's where you're gonna find most of your wear and tear from putting items into and out of the back of the truck. So if you're in the market for an all-wheel drive truck, Toyota Tacoma in particular, this could be a great option for you. Give us a call, 717-485-4224. Check us out online at www.allthingsautomotive.com, or come down and visit the showroom at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thanks, and have a great day.